Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a nice Lego blue magic machine gun. So let's start. Here are the pieces you'll need for the build. So let's start building. First you're going to build the base, so it's going to be this. There we go, that's the base. After you do that, what you're going to do, place this inwards this way, outwards, and then place these inwards. Like so. So that's going to be the base. So we can put that aside. Now, let's get the gun itself. Wait, no, let's actually get the base. It's going to be a little easier because then we'll have a stand to actually build it on. There we go. And then you'll place this here for the main machine gun. Oh, there's only one, but the main weapon, the machine gun. And then you'll get this, put that on, put that in there, like so. So that's the main machine gun. Now yeah, you can stop there, add a few extra details. But if you want to make it look fancy and actually add more weapons to it, carry on. Because then you're going to get 3 of these. 1, 2, like so, and then 3. And you're going to get these on the sides. And these here. Wait, no, dark blue. And then here, I'll put on the light blue. There we go. There we go. So now I'm missing one here. I don't know why, but that's fine. So we can just test out with 2. So let's just give it a spin first. As you guys can see, it looks very fancy and nice. Like, you could actually put this somewhere. I mean, I guess you could put it in like some tower defense build, because it kind of looks like something in a tower defense game. But yeah, let's give it a try. And then just pretend there was a third one there. There we go. Anyways, here's the finished thing. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to my videos. Bye guys.